started, facing every photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.